All right, everybody, thank you very much for being here today. So we've got something very important to discuss today, which matters to all of us and all our community here. So. Good morning from Santa Cruz, La Palma. I don't know what to say. Let's go for breakfast first, and then I will come back in here, pack things up, because I'll have to check out at 10, 11 o'clock. So today we'll be exploring the old towns of Santa Cruz. We went there briefly yesterday when I went out for dinner, but I thought we'll come in the light and then explore. It's a beautiful old town. The streets are amazing, so maybe we can go out and have some good time. So stick around. Let's go for breakfast. I guess it's this way. Okay, that's it. Loads of pictures. Look at these. Wow. A beautiful hike up the mountain. That's in the north. So I'm skipping there. The reason is with the bike I can't really do hikes. That's different. Totally out of the way. So that's an amazing place. I mean, if you are traveling by car, you hire a car. Oh wow, not very many people here. Actually, no one's here. Oh wow, am I the first one here? Oh wow, look, beautiful place, huge, which I love it. Look at the volcano. Pictures. The volcano, the flowing lava. Someone is brave enough to be standing right next to the flowing lava. And this is when it erupts. This is what happens. More eruptions. Some people, I'm sure these are scientists, are following the activity. Oh, that looks like scary. I think this is the one which happened in 2021. So that was the most recent eruption of place. I mean, there are loads of interesting places to see. You got to have time. Let me just show you the breakfast options. There are loads of nice eggs, some meat stuff. I think that's the egg and potato kind of thingy. Some fried potatoes, veggies. Some sweet stuff, more sweet stuff, fruit salad, salami, cheese, those are different types of cheese, yogurt, milk, bread, and of course juice. Ooh, everything looks so good. Ooh, so sweet. Oh, that's very good.
Yes, very, very good.
Okay, so let's sit here. Okay, straight up. Okay. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah, okay. So I have packed up all the stuff on the bike. The bike is down in the garage, it's safe. So what I said last night is, yeah, I've thought about it and have managed to book the late afternoon ferry to Gran Canaria this afternoon. And it's a slow ferry. It will take about 14, just over 14 hours, or under 15 hours to get to Gran Canaria. It might have, I think, stopped somewhere in Tenerife at night, and then it will continue. It's a slow ferry. I hope the terrible experience that I had yesterday, that won't be. I did some research, and apparently it's a slow and it's a different type of ferry. So shouldn't have any problem with that. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so I've packed up everything. I'm just waiting for the guy at the reception to come up, hand him the key, and ask him if I can leave the bike for 2 to 3 hours in the car park, because it's just only a 10 minutes walk from here to the old town center. So I just want to go and explore the town center and for the whole afternoon, then come back later around 2 o'clock, and then pick up the bike and then and head to the port. And the port is just a walking distance from here. I'm literally very close to the port, which is great. So I don't have to do riding today. And then once I'm there, I'll give you more updates. But for now, let's see if we can leave the bike here. If not, I'll take the bike and just leave it somewhere on the road. It's just that I've got so much stuff on the bike and I can only carry, so much stuff. Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. It's last night when we went out, it was I really loved the vibe in the old town. It's an amazing town. The streets are unbelievably beautiful, up and down stairs, steep walks up and down those narrow streets. So we're gonna go and explore in the light today, and then later afternoon hopped on the ferry, and then we are off to island number 3, Gran Canaria. I wanted to spend a bit more time here in La Palma. The only problem is that if I don't take the ferry today, it's gonna be if I don't take the ferry today, it's gonna be 1 week before I can find another, because it's just only once a week ferry. The fast ferry, Fred Olsen, there is no way I'm gonna take that, because that nearly killed me because of the sea sickness. Never thought I had that. But that was a terrible ride yesterday. I said many times. Yeah, so it's, what time is that? It's 10:40. It's a bit late, but I just wanted to take my time. Had a nice breakfast down in the dining, and now we are heading to see the old town of Santa Cruz, La Palma. So let's go and have a look around. Nice of him. He said, "Don't worry, you can come back at 6 o'clock even and pick up the bike. The bike is safe here." So let's walk down to the old town and look at the weather here. I mean, the night here last night, I wish I could have been somewhere a little bit far away. I mean, that's 100% sure. I mean, the sky at night is, I've never seen that before. Yeah, I mean, it's just, I think La Palma, they said La Palma is the best place in the world for stargazing. And I saw it last night. Definitely it's a place. It was a beautiful place. Let's walk and enjoy the sea first, and then walk in the old town of Santa Cruz. Wow, and look at those awful ferries. Fred Olsen Express. Oh, not anymore. And one of the reasons I am leaving this island earlier than I thought is because of being scared of being on this ferry again. Oh, okay. I'll see. Okay. I don't know what he said. I just said okay. Wow, what a rocky coastline. Let's go and sit and relax a little bit. Get the fresh air of the sea, the ocean. And you got all those hotels, flats, shops, beautiful palm trees. And on the left, you can see that's where, you know, the huge mountains overlooking the sea. Partially clouded, but it's a beautiful weather. It is a beautiful weather up here. Down here, let's see. It's not a huge beach, a very long one, but it goes all the way around. Big enough for this town. And you can also walk on these big boulders in here and enjoy the view. If you can see those mountains top, they're all covered in thick clouds, as if it's raining up there. This is what the landscape is like here in most parts in the Canaries at this time of the year. I don't know how in peak summer it's going to be like, but it's yeah. So when you're up in the mountain, it's cold and it's raining and it's wet. Not really wet, but yeah, mainly it's cloudy and cold. But then down here it's warm. What a nice place. People are taking a dip. So I'm sure the water is still very cold. Show you. Let me just give you a close view of standing on these boulders. Very nice. The old streets of Santa Cruz de la Palma. That looks like a church. It is in under renovation. Look at these trees. Very nice, the architecture. Look at the street. With those huge mountains in the background. Okay, so let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. You can go up to the other side of this. Hey, very interesting. Let's get to the other side, see what else we've got. Oh, that's a very interesting street. Let's explore this. And the streets are very steep. I mean, this one is okay, but seen last night, oh guys, if you have to climb all the way up, you really need a good strong shoe. Yeah, I know that yesterday I went down all the way from here. So, okay. I know this street. You come down from this street, look at this. It keeps going on and on and on, up and up. I'm not gonna go all the way up. That is too hard. Let's go down. So that looks like okay, this is where we were yesterday. I think, yeah, that's a nice place to sit and hang around. Last night I just came through this street. Very nice. Very, very nice. Listen to the bird. Okay, let's go up. I don't know what's this place like. It's called Institution de Enseñanza Secundaria. Is that a school? Is it? Is it a school? Very beautiful place. It definitely doesn't look like a church to me. Oh gosh, the sun is so strong. It's a nice square down there. You can just sit and there's a bar and a cafe. Oops, there was a little lizard You can also see the sea view from here as well, behind these houses. Or you can see hardly any tourists around here. There are some on the main road, but not in here. But a beautiful old town of Santa Cruz de la Palma. Okay, so we are gonna go down and then on the other side. Let's do that. On the right here. Okay, that looks very interesting. So let's go down here to see what we have. The way the town has been built, I mean, the old town, I mean, it's all pretty much the old town. It's very interesting because it's built on the slopes of the mountains, and you know, there's stairs, steep kind of walks up and down. I wonder how the locals cope with this. Okay, you can also come from there. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go down from here to see what we have here. Hopefully, we're gonna get to some. Yeah, and look at this. Look at this. Very nice place. I like it. Beautiful walk through these old streets. Okay, we are pretty much very close to the seafront. Are you okay, mate? You're still sitting here. Oh, okay. Yeah, the weather is nice. Very nice. Okay. Enjoy the sun. Okay, so this section, there are loads of tourists, as you can see, and you can now feel the buzz around. But inside those old street, you hardly can see anyone. On this side and on this side as well, restaurants, cafes, bars. Okay, so let's walk down this way first. Some pills to keep me away from seasickness, so that should be good. I need to take this. I mean, if it's a slow ride, I've never been seasick before. It's just, I think the ride was too awful. And look at this place. It looks like a sports shop. Right. Okay, so that's great that I found it. Okay, so it's got 4 pills, so I need to take one, and should be alright. I'm sure. Take before I board the ferry. Should be alright. I'm sure probably I might not even need that, but it's good to be ready and prepared. Now, what is this place? Let's find out. What is this place? Let's see. It might be a museum or something. Let's have a look. Let's ask, what is this place? Hola. Is that a museum? Museum?
No, City Hall.
A city hall. Can we go see? Oh, great, gracias. I see, it's a city hall. Oh, wow. That's very nice. Look at such a royal looking place. And look at the paintings on the, of course, shows the wooden ceiling. Wow, I really love the paintings on the wall. I'm sure it tells you the Spanish history of maybe this place or something. It's very nice. It's open to public. So really like it. And this looks like a place where the mayor, the city mayor, I'm sure that's a picture of the guy, he conducts his meetings. Oh wow, very nice. Very nice. I really love this place. And that's where all the presentation takes place, and all the participants, they've got their mics to give their opinions. 3 different flags. Wow, amazing place. To everybody, thank you very much for being here today. So we've got something very important to discuss today, which matters to all of us and all our community here. So I don't know what I'm saying, but that was crazy of me to have done that. But I played like a city mayor today of Santa Cruz de la Palma. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's on the main street with this beach on the right, and you got those typical shops, closed bars, cafes, restaurants, palm trees, the sun's out. So now I'm walking back, going to the other street. So remember earlier on we saw a nice cafe. So we're gonna walk back there, and I don't know, it's somewhere on the left in the main street. I'll be surprised if it's this one. That looks pretty close to me. Yeah, that's the one. Oh, thank you, gracias. Gracias. Okay, so before we go there, let's have another. That's a usual street, but we're gonna go up from here because this one looks a bit more promising. You come up. All the streets have got stairs to go up and down. And as you come up, look at this. I mean, even though there are quite a few tourists around, but still it's not like, bombarded with tourists. Very nice. Let's see what are these guys doing. I think they're entertaining the audience. Yeah. Looks like been here for some time. Lo Divino, 1947 to 1997. I mean, in the memory of some guy, maybe the one in the middle, who was a singer or a musician, local musician, yeah. Come to the other side. And look at this. Okay. I think that cafe is across the road on the other side. One looks like an open, not really an open because it's all covered market, but you got these little fruit stalls, vegetables, some lentils, spices, more fruit shops, plants, sunflowers, more flowers. Very nice place. Quite a lot of buzz going around here. Okay. I mean, some of the fruits you probably wouldn't see in other parts of the world. Look at the tomatoes. You got the very what you call the color? I don't know. And the green ones. Oh wow. Oh, what's this color called? Oh god, I just forgot. My mind is everywhere. My mind is everywhere, and sometimes I tend to forget even simple things. So that's the market, open market area. I don't know if it opens every single day. Oh, okay. So we will. That's the one, and then we will get back. Oh, okay. Let's see what we can order. The battery just died. You know, this is what happens. All of a sudden, you keep talking, you realize it. It's a beautiful little cafe. Zule, I think, and they have got like, I mean, their cookies and cakes are out of this world. And now we need to get back to the hotel, pick up the bike, and then we need to head to Santa Cruz port.